Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter the pie chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I already created pie chart. Simply click on the pie chart and you can see the chart filters option. Just click on this option and here you can see the filters drop down list is open. In category, all category is selected. I filter some particular category, so I deselect these three category, and for two, I'm going to apply the filters. Just click on the apply, and that's it. Here you can see the pie chart is changed according to filters data. Okay, so here you can click on the select all to select entire again categories, and click on the apply to change in the pie chart. And the second way, if you deselect here or filters here some categories, suppose in three categories, filter here. Okay, click on the apply, and here you can see the three slices showing in pie chart. Okay, filter is applied. Okay, and there is a one here option to select data. Just click on the select data, and select data source dialog box is open. Okay, in horizontal exercise label, you can see the laptop and smartphone is deselect as I have filter only three categories. Okay, same as here, three also select is showing. Okay, if you want to filters, add these two category and filters the two category, you can just click on here also in this box and click on OK. You can see the all categories selected. Okay, so this is a second way you can do it. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.